Welcome to Andijan, one of the rapidly growing and developing cities of Uzbekistan. Rich in history and culture, this city is transforming into a modern and dynamic center with diverse infrastructure, cutting-edge technologies, and active citizens. From cozy parks to bustling shopping centers, from historical monuments to innovative scientific and technological projects, Andijan offers numerous opportunities for living, education, and work. Here, in the heart of this beautiful city, is the Andijan State Medical Institute, one of the leading medical educational institutions in the country. Here, young minds acquire the knowledge and skills to become outstanding specialists in the field of healthcare. ASMI is distinguished by the high quality of medical education, which combines theoretical preparation with practical skills. Our institute is based on advanced methods and achievements of medical science, allowing students to become true professionals in their field. Currently, the institute has over 10,000 students, including more than 700 international students from 8 different countries. The institute offers the following faculties: medicine, pediatrics, dentistry, pharmacy, continuing medical education. It also offers the following directions: medical prevention, traditional medicine, industrial pharmacy, professional education, higher nursing. Each faculty and direction provides students with an individual approach and diverse programs, ensuring a deep understanding of specialized areas of medicine. The institute integrates advanced technologies into the educational process. Students have access to modern computer labs and online resources that contribute to a profound understanding of subjects. State-of-the-art equipment and innovative research methods are used in laboratories. Additionally, the institute provides students with the opportunity to use medical simulators, helping them develop the skills necessary for successful medical practice without risking patients' well-being. Virtual reality and augmented reality are also employed in the learning process to create an even more effective and interactive learning environment. Practical skills play a crucial role in preparing young medical professionals, and the institute pays special attention to this aspect of education. Students have the opportunity to practice in the best medical institutions in the city and country, where they apply theoretical knowledge in practice, develop their clinical skills, and learn from the best doctors and specialists. The clinic of the institute offers 700 places for patients and is equipped with advanced diagnostic and therapeutic devices such as magnetic resonance imaging, multi-slice computed tomography, scanning ultrasound diagnostics, as well as a laparoscopic center for performing minimally invasive surgeries. These technologies contribute to accurate diagnosis and effective treatment of various diseases, ensuring a high level of medical care. The clinic also serves as a practice site for students, where they can observe the work of experienced doctors, participate in the diagnostic and treatment process, and thus develop their professional skills. Scientific research is an important part of education at the institute. Students and faculty actively participate in research projects aimed at improving healthcare and advancing medical technologies. The institute also supports students in publishing their work in scientific journals and participating in conferences. The institute actively collaborates with international partners. Exchange programs, seminars, and joint research projects allow students and faculty to exchange experiences and knowledge with colleagues from around the world. The institute fosters a friendly atmosphere that encourages active student participation in cultural, scientific, and sporting activities. International students also actively engage in various events, promoting cultural exchange and strengthening friendships. Student dormitories offer comfortable living conditions, providing clean and spacious rooms, modern kitchens, and recreational areas. The dormitories also have fitness facilities that allow students to take care of their health and physical well-being. All of this creates ideal conditions for successful learning and student development throughout their time at the institute. Andijan State Medical Institute is a place where young people gain knowledge, skills, and experience to become leaders in the field of healthcare. We take pride in our graduates and continue to evolve in order to prepare future professionals capable of making the world a better place.